Hi friends, hello, welcome to the lesson 5. In this lesson 5, I am going to tell you about the low competition keyword. In the previous video, I have been discussed it. We have to choose a low competition keyword which is going to be a long tail keyword, which is going to be a long tail keyword. Already it is been a low competition keyword which is going to be a zero competition keyword. So how could we know that the long tail? Suppose we have chosen a long tail keyword like digital marketing 2020 course training in Hyderabad, like best digital marketing 2020 course training in Hyderabad. We have chosen that particular keyword. How could we know that that particular keyword is having a zero competition? It is a zero competition, but is it possible to rank that particular long tail keyword which is having a 7 words in the first page of Google? Is there any chances of ranking that keyword in the first page of Google or not? How could we know exactly? That means which low competition keyword which is going to be a long tail keyword already which is having a zero competition keyword. Can we rank that long tail keyword which is having a zero competition keyword in the first page of Google? Is it possible to rank or not? Here we have to find it out the information. Which low competition keyword definitely will rank very fast? That means very fast. Which keyword will rank? The main most important point, the most important information you need to know, my dear friends, that is going to be in the Google search box. You need to go to the Google search box and you have to click, you have to enter your particular chosen keyword. You have chosen a keyword. Suppose if I tell that digital marketing, best digital marketing course training in Hyderabad. So I have entered here in the search box of a Google best digital course training in Hyderabad. I have entered. After entering, I pressed the search box so that you can see some list of websites. You can easily find it out some list of websites. How could you know? Because if you have chosen a 7 words keyword, how could we know? How could we know that whether to target this long tail keyword or not? We have chosen some keyword like best digital marketing 2020 training in Hyderabad. We have chosen that keyword, which is a zero competition keyword. Already I told you there should not be any searches and no people will be searching. Targeting right keyword, which is long tail keyword. How could we know exactly? By entering into the search box, just what we need to do is you just enter the double inverted commas. Here the you enter in the search box, in this search box keyword, just you enter the keyword whatever you have chosen, the digital marketing training in Hyderabad, or digital marketing best training in Hyderabad, or best digital marketing 2000 training in Hyderabad is a keyword where you have entered in the search box. After entering into the search box, just insert before the keyboard, just insert before the keyboard double inverted commas, after the keyboard double inverted commas, before the keyboard double inverted commas, after the keyboard double inverted commas, and after that you just click on the search. You will get the exact result. You will get the exact result. What result you will get? You will get a number. Actually, before entering this double inverted commas before the keyword and after the keyword, you will see some lakhs searches like 4 lakhs results, 5 lakhs results, 3 lakhs results in Google. It will be displayed. You can easily find it out. Like 3 lakhs results, 4 lakhs results, 5 lakhs results. What is the exact result? What is the exact result? How could we know which this is the best one? This is the best keyword. That means after entering into the double inverted commas before the keyword and after keyword, the particular keyword result in Google should be displayed below 15,000, friends. Below 15,000, not even 15,000. It should be below 1,000 result. The exact keyword to rank a particular keyword which is having a long tail keyword with the 7 words, and it is a zero competition keyword. No people are searching that particular keyword, and after inserting this double inverted commas before the keyword and after the keyword, and if you press the enter in search engine of a Google, you must get the result. The actual result should be 1,000 below. Once again, I'm telling friends, you in the search box, you have entered some digital marketing training in Hyderabad keyword. You have entered. In the upper top, you will see a result like 4 lakhs results, 5 lakhs results, 6 lakhs results. That is not the exact result. That is, how could we know that this keyword is low competition keyword or a high competition keyword? So that for that you need to enter. I already told you before. You need to enter this double inverted commas. By inserting these double inverted commas before the keyword and after the keyword, you will get the exact result in search engine in the top, that is 1,000 below, 15,000 below, 15,000, 20,000 result, 30,000 results, 5,000 result, 100 result, like that. So the right keyword, the exact right keyword, which is having 7 words, which is having 1,000 result below in search engine which is displayed, if you choose that keyword and if you get that keyword as exact matching domain to your website, it is dead easy to rank your website in the first page of Google. So the most important thing is, okay, you have inserted the double inverted commas, you get the 1,000 searches result below. We can easily say that the site definitely will rank. But there is another way. You need to find it out. You need to confirm exactly that definitely how to rank this particular keyword in the whether this keyword will rank in the first page of Google or not. So to know this, watch the next video. Thank you so much.